the flakiest keyboard ever made by humankind. Look at that. Nothing. Now it lights up. Okay? It's useless. So now that we've got it working, we're wondering whether or not those first key entries were taken or not. Right? So look at that. You have to keep playing with it before it even comes on. It's a piece of crap. I thought it was the temperature of my hands, but see, now it works. No, this is unacceptable for a safe. It is unacceptable. I can't believe it has such a high rating.
The safe has a huge play, which it can be easily opened. So right now, I'm gonna unlock it. Show you guys. Unlock. We're gonna close it. Take out the key. We close it, right? But it has such a play that if you wiggle it good, it opens. What a play. And it's lightweight too, so it's
Okay, this is kind of lame. Just bought a safe, and the key does not quite turn all the way flat, and because of that, I can't open it. Anyway, sending this to support, see if they can help me. The key turns, but just not all the way. Anyway,
Hello,